So there you are, that is just chicken, onions and garlic. But you know, this sauce turns this into a restaurant cooked dish, all one pan, so easy. Pollo al Jerez. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing a chicken, onion, garlic. That is it. Chicken, onion, garlic dish. Very easy, one pan, but we have one ingredient that turns this into a fantastic restaurant quality dish. Let's get on and do it. Come on. In here, chicken thighs. Now, bone-in preferred. These are boneless. Skin on. We want the skin. We're going to crisp it up. So these are boneless chicken thighs, skin on. Okay. Onions. I've got 2 small onions here. If you have a large onion, that is what is required. One of those big Spanish onions. Anyway, we want to be slicing it. Come on. Slice it any which way that you normally do. This way or upwards, up to you, okay? Just nice slices. Don't rush. Nice and steady. This is a fabulous dish for those people who like caramelized onions. Garlic. Yes, there's garlic in this one. Little bit of a mash in. The usual. As big or small as you like, it doesn't matter. Now this is a real high-end dish from Spain. Garlic in there. Now, like I say, you can mince it up as fine as you want. I'm not bothered. I like the garlic in there. This is a really rustic dish. Bring in the start of, well, it's not the start of the show. It's just chicken for this. There you go. We've got our chicken thigh skin on. We want to season that. A little bit of salt and pepper. So on there, some salt. A little bit of pepper. And the other side. Not so much on that side. There we go. Just wash dandies. Okay, if you've got small chicken, I mean these chicken thighs are massive. If you've got small chicken thighs, you would probably use about 6 or 7. I've got 5 here, but look at the size of the things. Come on, we want a pan on. And it's in there, olive oil. Nice little flame on. And we're going to cook the chicken skin side down. So heat up this oil and then turn it down. We want it hot, not scorching. We don't want to burn the skins. So in there, our chicken. Oh, there's some big thighs there, look. We might be turning these a couple of times. No worries. Don't overcrowd your pan. There you go. Now don't rush your chicken thighs. It's definitely going to be about 6 to 8 minutes. Nice and steady. Nice golden on that skin. You can flip them a couple of times, not a problem. And for all those people that want to know what this chicken thigh dish is called, and my Spanish is very, very rusty these days, it is called pollo al Jerez. So pollo al Jerez. There you go. That's the best I can do. So you can turn it a couple of times. It doesn't matter, you know. Don't worry about that, it's going to crisp up. Turn it over. Move them around in the pan if you're crowding it like me. Let's turn them back again. Let's have some crispiness on that skin there. And this dish as well is a 1-pan dish on the table, 35-40 minutes, depending how quick you cook. Okay, let's have a look. That's what we're wanting. Okay, we got this crispiness going on there. Now it's crispy now, but there is absolutely no way it's going to stay crisp, okay? Don't be fooled by recipes like this. The only way that you'll keep that crisp is if you flashed it in the oven afterwards. We're going to put a lid on here so it's going to steam to cook the chicken. So it's just for show really. We've crisped it off, that's it. Just gives us that golden finish on our chicken. Okay, we've got some goldenness going on there. Out it comes. There you go, we've got that beautiful golden chicken there, look. That's going to sit there and rest. Right, you look at this and you decide, is that too much golden chicken juice and olive oil in there? Might be just a little bit. You can always add some, but there's no point trying to cook with all of that. We're going to end up with a really greasy sauce. So, out. In with your onions. Nice and steady on the onions. Don't rush this. These need another 6 to 8 minutes. We're going to caramelize these up. That fond will come off the bottom of here. And it definitely will when we add our secret ingredient. It's no secret, it's there, look. Sherry. Now we're not caramelizing these down so that the burnt onions that's going on a burger or a hot dog. We just want to bring them down, nice little tinging on there, soften them all up. Sweeten up the onion flavour by doing it. This dish is so simple. It's onions, it's garlic, it's chicken, and a really nice sauce. Okay, we got a little bit going on there, look, in there, our garlic. It's the 30 seconds on the garlic, just try and get it in where there's a little bit of oil. Okay, let's have that in there. Now, lower your flame a little bit, we don't want to burn any of this. Want to be going in there with our spices. A little bit of smoked paprika. A little bit of sweet paprika. Going in there with some thyme. Just a little bit of thyme. Let's have that stirred in. Oh yeah. And now we're getting a Spanishy flavor profile. In there. Secret ingredient. Now you turn up your flame a little bit more now and just give that about 2 to 3 minutes, cook off nice and steady. Most of the alcohol will cook off in there, if not all of it, and we're left with a really fantastic flavour. There you go. Okay, in there, chicken stock. Okay, we want to be going in there with a bay leaf. Only need one. Okay, we want a simmer going on now. Put your chicken back in and we're going to stick a lid on. Okay. So we're in there, nice and steady. Get that bay leaf in there, look. That's flavour. That's going to cook off that chicken in there. We've got to stick a lid on, partially cover it for 25 minutes. There you go. So it's partially covered, look. There you go. So don't forget, in that time, just come along, do that, make sure nothing is sticking on the bottom. Okay? There is absolutely zero way that that chicken is not cooked. So let's have that out of there. We need to glossy up this sauce. So out that comes. Now you can put it back in again, not a problem. So we got this going on in here, look, but it's not glossy. We want that bay leaf out of there. In there, a tablespoon of butter. Thereabouts. Nice little one of those, come on, bring it in. And we've got this fantastic sauce. A little splash of lemon. Only a little stir in. And that has freshened up our sauce. Okay, in there, a little bit of parsley. Stir that in. Put your chicken back in if you want, or just serve it straight up. Up to you. That's our sauce finished. In there with our chicken. A little bit of parsley in the pan, just for show. Okay, come on, let's get it served up. Okay, on there, nice piece of crusty. A little bit of our sauce on there. Chicken. On there, some of our sauce. Oh yeah. So there you are, that is just chicken, onions and garlic. But you know, this sauce turns this into a restaurant cooked dish, all one pan, so easy. Pollo al Jerez. There we go, that's our fantastic restaurant dish. Look at that. Soft, juicy, moist. We've got our fantastic sauce. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Next level. Next level. Now this, you can do it with chicken breast if you so wish, but you know, chicken thighs are absolutely perfect for this dish. And you serve it with some crusty to soak up all that juice. Very rustic restaurant dish. Now what you've got going on, you've got a nice smoky flavour in there with the onion and the garlic. A little hint of sherry flavour, not much. Absolutely beautiful to be fair. And you've got that little zing of a freshness with that lemon we've just squirted in there. Oh, it's delicious. So that smoky paprika, boom, makes this very Spanish. Obviously serve it with whatever you like. We're keeping it rustic. We got the crusty bread. There you go. Easy, easy, fantastic recipe. Oh man, off the charts. One pan dinner. And then obviously serve it with whatever you want, you know, carrots, peas if you wanted, potato, nice boiled potatoes with this, green beans. There you go. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, catch you in the next video. Amazing.